Welcome to the Google Cloud Platform Data Engineering course here on ine.com. Let's do a quick introduction. My name is Joseph Holbrook, and I've been a Google Cloud architect as well as well-versed in other areas such as CompTIA, EMC, VMware, and AWS. Let's find out about the prerequisites of the course. First is you should have basic knowledge of cloud technology. Having a good understanding of Google Cloud would be helpful. This course is really focused on development and DevOps, so having experience with containers would be very helpful. Having experience around Cloud SQL, Cloud Data Store, and Bigtable. These services are heavily tested, and having some experience would help you with the exam. Having a free trial with Google Cloud, and lastly, having the ability to use Code Labs and Quick Labs would really enable you to get that hands-on experience that's required to pass this very challenging certification exam. Let's find out about the objectives. During the course, we hope that you understand the objectives of data engineering on Google Cloud Platform. We also hope that you're able to deploy data services for exam preparation. Being able to deploy services such as SQL, Data Store, and other services will be critical to your preparing for this exam. That you'll gain an understanding of the various services such as SQL, storage, and other services such as networking. Understand how to provision GCP services, and be able to understand how to deploy a CI or CD pipeline in Google Cloud would be very helpful to your preparation. Google Cloud has a great certification for those with advanced cloud data engineering and developer experience. Let's proceed and talk about it.